How to create Google Form and share link. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to create Google Form and share link. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Google Forms and tap on the first link you see there. You will be led to the official webpage of Google Form. Here on the top, you will see the option for sign in. Tap on that and go ahead and sign yourself in at the first place. Once signed in, to create a Google Form, tap on the blank form option. You will be led to the interface from where you can create a form. So go ahead and name your form and then enter the form description next. Now go ahead and start entering the questions and the multiple choices for your Google form. Once you are done entering the questions and choices, tap on the send button you see on the top and now share link of the form. Tap on the link option or the second option in the Send Via tab. You will see the option for copy. So tap on that and further share the link directly on any social media platforms. You can also tap on the mail option and under to text box, enter names or email addresses to whom you want to share the form with and tap on the send button, and with this, the link will be shared. So this is how you can create Google Form and share link. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.